Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and congratulations on showing mastery on the concepts for this unit. While your peers around you are going to be working on their post-assessment, you are going to be working on this enrichment activity, and you have already stopped and you're watching this video. Just a reminder, you're going to be getting points for everything that you do here. And just a heads up, because these are enrichment points, you don't have to finish the assignment, so don't freak out if the post-testing window closes and you haven't finished the whole assignment. But if you are somebody who's like me and just needs to get it all done, come talk to me and we can arrange for that to happen. Don't forget to think about these driving essential questions and just questions we came up with in class about our unit on marginalization and stereotypes, and keep these in your head while you're reading. I'm going to walk you through everything that needs to get done here. The first thing you're going to do is this engage activity. Who am I? I made history in 1962. Have you heard this quote? Behind every successful man is a great woman. And here's a hint. My wife Annie did help me. However, it's another woman whose math computations made my mission safe and successful. Do you know who she was? You're going to click here and open up this Google Doc, and it's going to bring you to this form, and you're going to fill this in. Don't freak out if you don't know the answer. It just kind of is what it is. Once you're done, I want you to get in the habit of coming to this right column, and you're going to fill this column with the green paint can. In order to get to the green paint can, I'm going to hit on these three dots. The paint can, which is the fill background color, is going to open, and I'm just going to click that green, and that just shows you that it's done, and when you're turning things in, it shows me that it's done. The next section that you have is this explore section. You're going to explore who she was using a multimedia text set. And for those of you who don't know what it is, it's media and text that's curated along with information for you to reflect on. So you're going to open up this Hyperdoc. All of these links are going to force you to make a copy, and these copies are going to go into your Google Drive so you can refer to them from a different computer. You are going to work through here. And just a heads up, all of these are hyperlinks that are going to bring you to learn more about this person. And then you're going to record your information in this box. You can just type, it'll open up. And then don't forget you have questions here that you need to answer, and then questions on this side. I'm going to close out that tab. Remember to fill this in green with the paint can when you're done. Remember, I go to those three dots. The next section is explain. You're going to be working on identifying marginalization just like we had been working on in class. You're going to be using that same graphic organizer. But before you get started, I want you to watch this video clip. So click on YouTube. It's going to open this up for you. Remember, you're going to identify who was marginalized in the video clip. You can use that anchor chart that we worked on in class. Also, I've given you a copy of A Dream Deferred. You probably already have it memorized because you're that awesome. And here's a new graphic organizer. You can open it up. Once again, it's going to force you to make your copy. You do not have to print this out. You can type right in here, and I've already put in the MLA citations for you because I know you can do that, so I just wanted to help you out. If you get stuck on how to do that graphic organizer, don't fret, my pet. I've given you another video you can watch there. Now you're going to go to News ELA. You have a choice here. You can do either the calculations, then congratulations article, or you can go Lego celebrates NASA female figures. Pick either one that you want. You're going to get to News ELA right here. You're going to click. Remember, you're going to log in with your Google login. You're going to respond to the right questions, and then you're going to take that quick quiz altogether worth 6 points. Next, you're going to watch another video clip coming back to that graphic organizer that you're working on. Remember, you've already opened up this graphic organizer, so you need to retrieve it from your Google Drive. If for some reason you're freaking out and you can't remember how to get to your Google Drive, I've given you a video. Just click right there, and I'll walk you through that. The next thing is our friendly neighborhood Ed puzzle. Click on Ed puzzle here. Click on the hyperlink. It's going to bring you to the site. Remember, you're going to log in as a student. The final thing is your reflection, those last 3 questions on your graphic organizer. Remember, if you cannot recall how to race your response, which I highly doubt because you're that awesome, you can click here and watch this video. If you need help from me again, I have another video for you right here. The most important thing, though, is to remember to attach your graphic organizer in Google Classroom to the assignment so that it can be scored. The last thing you're going to do is we're going to go to Flipgrid and have a talk in the grid. While you're waiting for me to approve your Flipgrid post, feel free to respond to your peers in the Flipgrid. I've opened up that grid so all 3 classes are in the same grid. Then the last thing you want to do is you want to tell me how many points you think you've earned for enrichment. So drop your points in here and then give me a little feedback on why you feel you've earned that. I know I probably don't tell you this enough, but I'm super proud of you that you've shown mastery in these concepts and you're able to work on this enrichment activity while your other peers are working on their post-assessment. If you have any questions, remember I want you to go to the videos first that are embedded inside this Hyperdoc, and then if you still can't figure things out, go to a peer who's working in this Hyperdoc and then come to me. So remember, you're going to 3 before me. Super proud of you. Keep it up. And I can't wait to see what you do. Have a great day, you guys.